Oh, it's a gorgeous day. You sitting in air conditioning?
No, they brought me out lunch.
They brought you out lunch, huh?
Yeah.
Cool. What's going on out here?
Garden stuff for the FAA, for the Airshow.
What are you guarding?
There's flight boxes and stuff that they use while they're in the air. So.
Flight boxes. What are those?
I don't have.
You don't know, huh?
To guard them.
So I guess I don't understand. You're out here guarding something?
Yeah.
And you don't know what you're guarding?
Well, yeah, I do. But I mean, it's just part. It's all part of the air show, part of the airport. But they don't see.
So they told you to close it off to traffic?
Yeah.
Yep. What about the people that live down here?
They were told to move out, not move out, but to leave while the air show is going on.
They told them to leave their homes while the air show is on.
No, they worked something out with them.
Really?
Yeah.
Huh. So what would happen if I walk down here? Because as far as I know, this is all public access.
I have to call somebody, and it's federally done. So
I don't see any federal signs or anything. I don't know, what do you guys think? Is this a legal road closing? Sorry, you probably couldn't hear me. You guys think this is a legal road closing?
It's pretty crazy, isn't it?
Well, I don't understand how they can just block it off like that, tell people they got to leave their homes. There's no official signage, there's no FFA signage.
They don't tell them that they're leaving their homes. They work something out.
You don't know what they worked out?
No.
Did they actually have a choice?
I was working the main gate, and they just brought me out here.
Okay.
The FAA wants certain boxes guarded, so.
And they didn't tell you even what boxes they are. You have no idea.
No.
All right. Well, I'm going to walk down here, get a few photos, and then I'll be on my way.
Well, let me call somebody.
Oh, you can call whoever you want. I mean, without proper signage, who's to know you're not just some regular individual out here? Decided you wanted to block off access. So, can I get your name?
Yeah, it's George.
George? And who do you work for, George?
I'm volunteering through just volunteering for security here.
For security through who?
I don't. It's just they put up signage for some people who want to come through, but I have a degree in security too. So.
Okay. And do you think this is a legal closure with your degree in security?
Well, when it's that's our legal road sign.
Sure, and I understand closing off traffic. You don't want vehicles coming down here and turning around, possibly hitting something, right?
Well,
I understand that completely.
And, the way the world is with terrorism and everything.
So you're going to try to use this day and age? So what day and age do we live in? I'm not going to hold on. I'm going to continue on my way. I'll be back. Talk to you in a minute, George. All right, the air show's not even going on today. I mean, we can see they're practicing for it. So, as you saw, there were no signs, no road, no civilians, no pedestrians, nothing stating anything like that. Nothing stating close to public access, just road closed. But that's all right. All right. We're approaching the Duluth Airport. So when I came out here, I had no idea they were going to try to close it off. So I had to cancel my Canadian walk. We'll be trying again at some point in the future. Don't know exactly when.
If you're airing on that, I don't want to be on anything.
You're out in public. working for the public, actually. So there's not much choice on that. Did you call the people you had to call?
Yeah, they're on their way.
Who did you have to call?
The person in charge of the security.
And do you know his name or her name? All right. Well, I'm not hard to find. You have a good day, George.
Well, I want to know how legal it is, because I'm not going to sit here while you, attempt to make a fool out of me.
Oh, I'm not attempting to make a fool out of you at all. Not at all.
I was told to do this job, and you're sitting there
I'm not
taping
arguing
me
that with you.
live and making a fool out of me.
I am not trying to make a fool out of you, George.
You walked right past my barricade. That's making a fool out of me.
Okay, if that's what you consider making a fool out of you, I'm sorry your skin is so thin. I'm going to be on my way.
Get somebody out here right now.
As you can tell, George is really, really upset that I walked past his barricade.
Pretty much is like you just walk past the barricade, so it shows everything.
We're having an Airshow in Duluth tomorrow. Papa Meatball asked why is the barricade there. So I wanted to close it off from any vehicles going down there turning around. As you can see, it says road closed. Well, if they're going to cordon it off, though, they need to have the proper signage out, don't they? I mean, I would understand. I drive down here, the road's closed. I'm not going to drive past it. But I stayed on the right of way. Hello.
Hey. Can I help you or something?
Absolutely not. Didn't ask for any help.
Okay. Want me to smile?
What's that?
Want me to smile?
Yeah, you can smile all you want. Can I get your name?
No.
Okay. Can I ask who you work for?
No.
No? So are you going to try to tell me I can't walk down there too?
I'm not going to try and tell you that.
Okay. So he told me he had to call you when I did.
It's not me that he was going to call.
Oh, okay. So am I supposed to wait for somebody else?
I have no idea.
Oh.
I'm not.
George, am I waiting for somebody else?
Well, you're on the property now, so I told.
Well, I wasn't on anybody's property. I was on a public road.
The road is closed.
I see that.
Yeah.
And that means to vehicles. It doesn't say no pedestrians. It doesn't say closed to pedestrian traffic.
It's closed to everybody through the FAA.
And where's the FFA or federal signage to that effect?
I'm not in charge of it. I'm just
Oh,
told
okay.
what I know.
All right. Well, as far as I'm concerned, that says it's road closed. That means vehicles can't drive down there.
Take it up with somebody else. I don't.
Oh, I'm not trying to take it up with anybody. He's the one telling me I'm not supposed to walk past the signs.
You purposely walk around with a camera to try and stir something out.
Absolutely not. I was scouting places to do photography tomorrow.
Really?
Yep. Had no idea this was down here until I started walking down here. So you don't want to tell me who you're working for or who you are?
I don't work
No?
for anybody.
Okay.
It's none of your business.
All right, guys. I'm pretty sure I know where I'm coming back to tomorrow. If nothing else, there's a spot right down the road here that they do nice flyovers on. No. It'll be very little editing. Mostly just the walk, and comments won't be in there. You know.